In this video, we shall be creating a personal AI business partner. I will be teaching you and showing you how you can create your own personal AI business partner, which can help you run your own business, help you prepare business plans, help you prepare online content, prepare strategy, and various plans to help you run your own personal business. Now, but before we start, there's a video by the CEO of OpenAI, his name is Sam Altman, which I would like you to watch. So just watch and listen.
Highly performant, smaller teams, thanks to these tools and these technologies, can be able to do so much more. Is that a trend you're seeing from the startups growing around y'all in Silicon Valley?
We're going to see 10-person billion-dollar companies pretty soon, like billion-dollar valuations. And the thing that in my little group chat with my tech CEO friends, there's this betting pool for the first year that there's a one-person billion-dollar company, which would have been unimaginable without AI, and now it'll happen.
I'm so happy.
So in the video, if you listen to what he said that there would be companies with valuations of $1 billion run by just one person, and that would have been unimaginable without AI. So that's one of the advantages of AI development. It increases human productivity, it increases human technology. So a human being is able to achieve more, is able to do more as a result of AI technology. So in this video, we shall be creating a personal AI business partner that can run a business, not 100%, but help you to run your business, maybe the back end, things like responding to emails, creating business plans, creating a business strategy, creating online content, writing articles, writing books, and the likes. So let's get started. These are the steps that we'll be going through. Just 3 major steps that we'll be going through to create this AI business partner. And this video might be long, but what I will do, I will put in timestamps which you could click and go through so that you can understand the video and the content better. So let's get started. So step 1, we're going to create an OpenAI account and sign up for ChatGPT Plus membership. Now let's go to our browser. The first thing you want to do is that you want to go to chatgpt.com. Now when you go to chatgpt.com, you would have this interface here. Now this interface, you notice that I haven't signed in yet. So I'm assuming that you are a new user to ChatGPT. You haven't created an account. So you want to click sign up here. Now, when you click sign up, you sign up with an account. You can sign up with your Google, your Microsoft account, or your Apple account. Me, I use my own personal account. So you sign up, create an account. And when you create an account, this is what you would see here. You would have your profile picture here. That shows you that you created an account with ChatGPT, and you can now start using the model to chat with it, to create custom models and everything and the likes. So that's the first step. I'm not going to go through that because it's relatively easy and straightforward. Now, the second step here, which is very important, is to sign up for ChatGPT Plus membership. Now, if you are a new user, you're probably going to be using the free version of ChatGPT. Now, the free version of ChatGPT is powerful, I must say, but it doesn't have the capability to create a custom AI model, which is what we want to do. We want to create a custom AI model that would be a business partner. You cannot do that on the free version. So you would go here to to this sidebar and click Explore GPTs. Now, when you are on that Explore GPTs, you click on, put your mouse on Create, then you will see Get ChatGPT Plus to create and share your own GPTs. Then you click Get GPT Plus. So there are various plans, and for this video I'll be using the $20 a month plan. Now this plan, you will need to pay for it, and I must say that it gives you advanced features of ChatGPT. So I would subscribe to this, pay for this, then I would show you how. Then we'll move to the next step, which is step 2. Okay, so I have paid for and subscribed to ChatGPT Plus. The payment was successful, and we can now move on to the next step. So I'll just click continue here. So now once you've paid for the ChatGPT Plus and you click explore GPTs, now you can now click the create button. So I'll just go back to my steps. So now we're going to move on to step 2, which is create your custom GPT. Now on this platform, you want to click create. You've clicked explore GPTs. Now you want to click create. Now this is the platform where you create your own custom AI GPT, and it has the create bar here. It has the configure bar here. Then it has a preview bar here. Now in this preview bar, this is where you preview the AI GPT that you have created. You can test it out, you can send messages, you can even upload files and see how it behaves. Then if there's anything you want to tweak, you can come back here into the create mode or go into the configure tab. There are a lot of things here you can edit under the configure tab, but for this first step, we will just be on this create tab. So now let's create our own AI business partner. Now read this. Hi, I'll help you build a new GPT. You can say anything like make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products, or make a software engineer who helps performat my code. What would you like to make? Now, what do we want to make? I want to make a custom AI GPT that would be my personal business partner. Okay, hold shift. When I type this, I hold shift, I press enter to type beneath that sentence. So I'm doing this because I don't want to hit enter, then it sends the message. Then, so something very important here, that you want to state the name of the company, the name of your business that you want this custom AI to be a business partner in. The name of my personal business is called Wireframe. Now we'll hit enter and let's see what the GPT builder gives us. Now it says this GPT will serve as a personal business partner for the user, assisting with various tasks related to the business. Wireframe. It will provide insights, suggestions, and support a business decision, strategy, and operations. It should be knowledgeable, supportive, and proactive, aiming to enhance the business success and efficiency. So description, your personal business partner. So it has stated all this. Now, it says, let's give the GPT a name. How about Wireframe Partner? Does this name sound good to you? Now, personally, I don't like that name. I have a personal name that I would like my own AI business partner to be, which is Arbez. It's a name I want to name my own GPT. So if you are creating your own GPT, I would advise you to also give it your own personal name. You should name it. So the reason being that name is very important when it comes to AI, when it comes to large language models. They use words, language to kind of sieve through information. So it's very good for you to name it yourself and use that name in future as references. Maybe like you have a document and you want to reference a particular AI model, or you're working on your ChatGPT platform and you want to reference it, it's very good for you to have a particular name that is particular to you that you could use for reference in the future. So I want the name to be Arbez. Enter. So it has updated it. Great. The GPT name is Arbez. Now let's create a profile picture for Arbez. I'll generate one and we can refine it if needed. Now this picture, you can change it later in the future if you want to. So I will just skip that. That's not so important right now. You can change it later in the future. I'll just say this image is fine. Okay, so now it's saying what specific goals and tasks should Arbez focus on for your business. So for me, I want it to generate profits, generate online content, and push Wireframe. Wireframe is the name of the company. Push Wireframe towards achieving its vision and mission. So let's just say generate online content. So it's updating. Now it's saying, are there any specific things that Arbez should emphasize or avoid while generating online content? Personally, I just want it to be as creative as possible. Be as creative as possible. Shift enter. I also want it to also always check online for current trends and data. I want Arbez to always check online for current trends and data. I also want it to be profit oriented. So enter. Let's see what it's right now. It's updating Arbez. I also want to, if you take a look at the right side here, the preview window, so you can see it's generated the profile image. It's called Arbez, your personal business partner for Wireframe. It's even generated some shortcut prompts that you could use here. So now let's see the next thing that the GPT builder is asking us. How do you prefer Arbez to interact with you? Should it have a formal tone, or would you prefer a more casual and friendly approach? I want it to be flexible. Sometimes it should be formal, sometimes it should be casual, and sometimes it should be friendly. Flexible and creative. So it's updating. Okay, so it has created Arbez. Arbez is now set up to be your personal business partner for Wireframe. Feel free to try it out and let me know if there are any further adjustments you would like to make. How can Arbez assist you right now? So we have now finished steps 3 of step 2. That's we've set up instructions and roles for our custom GPT. Now the next step, which I have highlighted in blue here, is upload relevant files into your custom GPT knowledge bank. And now this is one of the most important steps in creating your AI business partner. You're going to upload documents like things you've written in the past, newsletters, business plans, business strategies, anything. Even if you haven't created any documents, this is a good time to just create something, some form of text or images or documents that signify the importance or signify the story that your business is about. So, and I would also show you where to upload those documents into. So now let's do that. First of all, I'll show you the document I have created, which you can also use as a guide to create your own document. I called it AI Wireframe Business Partner. Again, take a look at the name here. I put wireframe as the name of this document. In the name of this document, remember when we were creating our GPT, we said the name of the business is wireframe. Remember what I said about names. Names are very important when you're dealing with large language models. So let me open this document so you see the content of this document. Now, this is what I call like a business partner mandate. At this text, I put here wireframe business partner mandate. Hello, I want you to work with me as a business partner for my company. Again, the name, very important, wireframe. Your name is Arbez. Now, in this document, I've also put in the name of my GPT, the name of my business partner. So it knows its role, it knows its responsibility as a business partner for wireframe. So you should also do this when you're creating your own documents, whether you're a baker, you are a content creator, you are a musician, you are a record company director, or whatever kind of business that you're creating. It's very good for you to ensure that you put names where they're supposed to be strategically. So in this text, I put how I came up with that name, Arbez. Now I put it here. That's the second paragraph. I also put the 3 major roles for this AI business partner. So I'm telling Arbez, these are your 3 major roles. 1, generate business profits. 2, generate online content. 3, push wireframe towards achieving its mission and vision. Now, these are the 3 major roles. So when I put it in this document and I upload it into Arbez knowledge bank, anytime he reads this document, it knows what it's supposed to do. It knows in what direction it's supposed to think. It knows the kind of content it's supposed to create in order to achieve these 3 roles. Now, I also put it here, in achieving the goals above, provide me with step-by-step guidance. And please ensure to stop often to ask me for feedback and clarifications. This text here is very important because it ensures that your AI always asks you for feedback whenever it's generating content, whenever it's being directed to do certain tasks. So I also put here brief of wireframe. I said, Akinwale, I put my name, founded wireframe in so date, with the main purpose of pushing the boundaries of human expression by discovering, nurturing, and celebrating creativity. Here I put, so what this paragraph means is that I have put in just a little synopsis of what my business is about. So you should also do that if it's a tech company you're creating, if it's a software company you're creating, if it's a gaming company you're creating, you want to put in just some form of text that says why you're creating this company, what you hope to achieve with this company, just a little story. Now I put in the vision of my company, I put in the mission of my company. You should also do that too, so that your business partner, your AI business partner, has an idea of the direction which you would like to steer your company towards. They also put in services, then very important, links. Now, I have a link to my Amazon author page. I have a link to my business website. I have a link to products that I have launched and created online. I have a link to my LinkedIn, to my portfolio, to my threads, to my Instagram, to my YouTube. Now, it's very important to put in these links because your AI can reach out to those links for various information. Now you can't, all those informations are information about you that are online, about your business that are online, because you can't put everything in this document. So links are very important. Next, I put in the logo of the company. This might not be so important, but I just put it there. I put the logo of the company. I put the meaning of the logo so that my AI business partner understands the essence of the logo. Then I now put an about me section. These about me are things that are not on your LinkedIn page, things that are not maybe on your portfolio page, are not on your website, just something about you that you want your AI to get to understand. Just imagine your AI as a business partner, a real human being business partner. When you want to have a human business partner, you want to know the person's values, the person's principles, the family that the person came from, what the person hopes to achieve in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years. So those are kind of things that you want to put in the about me section. So that's it in this document. So I will now upload this document into my knowledge bank, into our Bez's knowledge bank. That's my AI business partner. And I would also tell it to read through it and tell me what it gets from it. So let's do that. So we'll go into the configure tab. So on this left section, you would click configure. Now, just note that not all these things here. You see that the GPT builder has built a name. The name is Arbez. You can still edit it if you want to. Description, your personal business partner. Anytime you edit anything here, it changes in the preview section. It has given it instructions. You can maximize this, read through it. You can even edit it if you want to. You can scroll down. It has given you conversation starters. So what's the best strategy for increasing our customer base? You can see it here. These are 4 conversation starters. Now, what we are going to now is the knowledge section. Now you want to click upload files. So I'll click upload files. I'll go to the folder. This is the file, AI Wireframe Business Partner. I'll click open. Now it's uploading that document. Now it has uploaded that document. Now I would click, I will go back to create and type in that I have uploaded a document. I want you to read through that document and tell me what it understands about that document. So let's do that. So I said, I have uploaded a mandate document into your knowledge. Read through it. Tell me what you know, what you understand by the document. Let's see what the GPT builder tells us. So it says, I have reviewed the mandate document for your business partner, Arbez. Here is a summary of its key points. So it picks its role and responsibility. Generate profit. Arbez will help in strategies and actions that directly increase revenue. Generate online content. Push Wireframe towards its mission and vision. Guidance and feedback. Arbez should provide step-by-step guidance. Frequent feedback and clarification requests are essential. Wireframe overview, it talks about me, that I founded the company Wireframe. It talks about the purpose, the vision, the mission, the services, about the founder. It has basically taken this document and has put it inside its knowledge. And from reading this, you know that it understands this. So that is uploading relevant documents into the knowledge bank of Arbez. So that's the first phase of that section. Another thing I would also like to say is, personally, I have written a lot of things that I have published online on LinkedIn as newsletters. So I have compiled all those documents into one file. So if you have done that kind of thing also, I would also advise you to also upload things you've written that pertain to your business. If you're a baker, for instance, and you've written articles on processes that would help people bake better bread, the purpose of the various equipment bakers should use, if you've written all those kind of content, you want to compile all of them into one document and also upload it into the knowledge bank of your AI business partner. So I'll just do that quickly. So let me show you this document. So I named it All My Writings. So if I open it, these are just different things I have written. 10 reasons why creative journaling can transform your life. If I go down, 10 skills every creator should learn to improve their creativity, economy. So these are things I have written personally that pertain to my business. There are things about creativity, journaling, business, artificial intelligence. So I compile them into just one document. So you can see they're about 65 pages. So there are things that I have written personally. Some of them I think I use AI to write. Some of them are scripts of my YouTube. Some of them are articles. A lot of them are articles. For example, you see that this is embracing emotional intelligence in the technological era. So you want to compile them into one document and upload it into the knowledge bank of your AI business partner. Now, the reason for this is this. Doing this would help your AI business partner to understand your own personal voice. It understands how you think, the direction you are going towards, the kind of thing that you are passionate about. So let's upload this. So I'll go back to my AI. I'll go back to the configure tab, click on upload files, click on all my writings, click on open. It's uploading the PDF document. You can see it here. When this circle completes, it's uploaded. Now I'll go back to the create tab. You can either go to this create tab or go to the preview section and just type a message to your AI business partner. I have uploaded a document called All My Writings to Your Knowledge. Confirm you have access. So let's see what it comes up with. So now it will read through it and says, see what it says. Yes, I have access to your document, All My Writings. If you need any specific section analyzed, edited, or used for a particular purpose, feel free to let me know. So it's uploaded, but I want the GPT builder to make my AI business partner know that that document is all my personal writings and that it should use it as a reference to understand my writing voice. So now I'll go back to the left section, that's the create panel, and I would type this. Hold on, let me just copy this since this is exactly what I want to type. So I'll copy this, paste this. I have uploaded a document called All My Writings to Your Knowledge. I want our bears to, so it says I have uploaded a document called All My Writings to Your Knowledge. I want our bears to use this document as a reference so it understands my writing voice and what Wireframe is passionate about. Very important. I said Wireframe is passionate about. The name, again, the name is very important. So let's see what the GPT builder comes up with. So it's searching the knowledge bank. So I have reviewed the document titled All My Writings. Here is a summary of its key points. It talks about the content themes, it talks about creativity and self-expression, personal development and overcoming challenges, inspiration and motivation, mental health and well-being, talks about the writing style, the tone. It even writes that the writing often incorporates personal experiences and anecdotes to illustrate points, which is nice, which is what I did in most of the things I write. So use in wireframe, our birds should utilize this document to understand your voice, focusing on creativity, self-expression, and personal growth. So this is it. We have finally created an AI business partner for wireframe. We can now go on to the next step. That's step 3, which is to test your custom GPT AI business partner. So now you have completed this. You can now say, there should be a place where we can say save. There's no place to save. So let's say, so you click create. Let me just show you that. So once you've completed this, you click on this button here, create. Then you say only me. So if you wanted to share this GPT, this AI business partner, with someone, you can say anyone with a link. Or if you want to upload it to the GPT store, you can click GPT store. But right now, I'm just doing it for only me. So I'll click only me. Then I'll click save. So it's saving the GPT. So it's saved. So you can now click view GPT. So this is the platform. You can see here our bears. You can now chat with our bears. You can talk with our bears. You can have a conversation with our bears. You can see the conversation starters here. And now let's test out our bears. Let's test out our custom AI business partner. I wanted to draft a business strategy that is profit inclined, that also makes use of social media. Let's do our bears. I want you to draft a business strategy that's profit inclined and makes use of social media platform. Let's see what it comes up with. So it started working. It started creating goal setting, audience identification, content strategy. It has created an example. It's created a content calendar, and its engagement tactics, the various social media platforms that we could use, advertising strategy, conversion optimization, performance tracking, blah blah, and it keeps on going. It even creates a schedule: Monday this that, Tuesday Twitter, YouTube. Then you can work on that. Now let's be more specific. Let's be more specific to wireframe. Yeah, let's do something like, our bears, look at the details of the wireframe company, and I want you to find out the kind of clients or audience that would engage with wireframe content online. Let's see that. Now I'm saying, I want you to draft an audience profile for me. I want to know the ideal audience of wireframe based on the type of content that wireframe creates. Now remember that we've uploaded the kind of things that I write. So you've uploaded the kind of things that you write. Now you want you to use that to create an audience profile. Let's see what it comes up with. So it's doing this ideal audience profile for wireframe. It's creating demographic for information. It's created psychological information. See, take a look at this. Take a look at interest and hobbies. Passionate about creativity and self-expression. So you can see already it's reading through our content. It's reading through the various documents that I have given it. So you're not just chatting with a GPT. You're chatting with an AI business partner that is tailored to wireframe, tailored to your own specific business. So your audience engages in activities such as painting, graphic designing, journaling, photography, and digital art. Values, believes in continuous self-improvement and lifelong learning. Behavioral information, online behavior, frequently active on social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Purchase behavior, challenges and pain points, goals and aspirations. It even gives an example persona. Wow, this is interesting. So you can see it's working. It's giving you examples that you can work with. Now let's be more specific. Now with all this information, for example, I want to create, say, a YouTube video. I want to create a YouTube content that is going to be searchable by my ideal audience. So I want our best to find out what my audience would be searching for in this period of time using real data that is happening right now on the internet. Let's see that. First of all, you want to give it feedback. I love this. This works. Now, list. So now, I said I love this. Now, the reason why I said I love this is to give it feedback that the information that it just gave to me is relevant to wireframe, is relevant to what I want to do. So now I said, now let's find out what our ideal audience is searching for online. I want to use this information to create YouTube content. Give me some ideas in a form of a list. So let's see what it comes up with. So it's giving me possible titles that my ideal audience would be searching for. So things like creative process and techniques, design tutorial and tips. That's giving me even titles that I can use and work with. Creative storytelling, tools, tutorials and reviews. For example, see top 5 design tools for creatives in 2024. That's something that sounds like something I would create on my YouTube channel. Freelancing and career growth. How to start and grow a successful freelance business. So you can see it's working, and it's working like an AI business partner for wireframe. So you want to test it out, work with it. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section. If you have a custom AI business partner that you would like me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment section. If there are any other questions or any other things you'd like to add, please put that in the comment section. And I hope one day one of you watching this video is going to be able to create a business that has a valuation of $1 billion that is run by just 1 to 10 people, just as the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, said. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.